Meet Brad. Brad lives in Chicago. Brad has a good business idea. After 2 years in business, Brad can barely keep it afloat. Brad can't help but question whether his idea was viable or not. He's been having trouble juggling money, resources, time, and office space. Desperate for help, Brad reaches out to his successful business friend, Kevin. Excited to help his friend, Kevin shares SCAD beehive with Brad. beehive, Brad asks. beehive is for new businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs. It's even on an app. Oh, is this the app? Great, I'm going for package number 1. The beehive project manager contacts Brad to discuss his business strategies. beehive, excited about starting a new project, assembles a project team to help Brad with his business. Brad is introduced to his team via video chat. The Honeycomb Wayfinder helps Brad keep track of his project. He can see what phase his project is in, such as contextual research, synthesis, ideation, prototype, testing, and implementation. Brad has full access to Stormboard as a way of online collaborating with his team. beehive partners with Basecamp to project manage each project. 6 weeks later, Brad is given a process book full of valuable insights regarding his business. 1 year later, Brad's business is growing. Brad gets an office. Brad's girlfriend is happy. Brad gets the Porsche. Brad gets more time. Get the beehive app. Be like Brad.